beautiful morning in Pahalgam. We're about to check out, have breakfast and leave to Srinagar. I must say Pahalgam was very welcoming and it was a beautiful trip here. So today's plan is basically to go to Srinagar, cover all the gardens there and go to the very famous Dal Lake. I was also interested in buying bats and Kashmir Willow bats are very famous here. There are a lot of factories on the way. So we will be visiting one of the shops and hopefully buying one. So we've come to this Gold Luck Sports Industries. They have a factory inside and they also do the sales. Got two bats, one for me and one for my daughter. Some kava for a break at Zamindar Kesar Mahal. Some shopping here. We've reached Mughal Garden. There is an entrance ticket, 24 rupees per head. I think this garden will be full of flowers in summer, but now it's all plain. And this is the view from the gardens, lake and the city. Having our lunch at Raja Dhaba. This is overlooking the lake. It's all outdoor seating, sunny at the moment, but it's a good location.